Hey everyone, this is what I was trying to show at Frappe Build. Server went down on stage, so here's the clear version. FAC, Frappe Assistant Core, is a Frappe app. Install it on any instance, and it turns that instance into an MCP server. It has 23 inbuilt tools. Any AI client that speaks MCP can now talk to your data using these tools. So let's connect to our instance. For today's demo, I'm going to connect to our Promantia test instance. So let me click on connect here. So it should take a couple of seconds. Great. So I'd already logged in. So I'm just going to click on allow. Great. So you could see that our Promantia test instance is connected. Now Claude has access to all the 23 tools here. So let's go to a chat. And before we could try something, right? So for today's demo, I'm going to create Insights dashboard. So let me drag it here. Great. So great. So at Insights, you would know, right? You would need a workbook, and then through it, you create a dashboard. So you could see that we don't have any recent workbooks here. So the one last created was 2 weeks ago. Great. So let's put this on. So let me click on enter. So great. So here's one new step that's happening here. So Claude is reading the Insights dashboard skill. So basically, what is skill? It is something written by us. By us meaning it's by developers, right? We tell LLM what to do or how to do things, and we give step-by-step instructions. And coming soon, we have FAC Skills, where anyone can write skills, and these skills are delivered to the LLM. And skills are nothing, as I already told you guys. We're just giving LLM and step-by-step instructions. Okay, basically we are saying LLM to create dashboards or inside dashboard v3 DocType, right? And the architecture. So we are just giving more context, okay, to the LLM. So you could click on preview and here it is, right? So now let's see what's happening here. So as any LLM would do, it's trying to understand what's our schema. So you could see it's using a get DocType info tool and it understood, okay, we have these many fields. We have tool name, stage, execution time, timestamp, user, and action. So now it understood the schema. So it's now trying to understand if it's there any sample data. So here it is. It's using a database query tool. It's extracting the information. So let's see. It's just checking if there are any. So now this is done. So it's checking if there's any existing workbook so that it could reuse that. Well, there aren't any. So let's see. It's loading the tools to create a document and to update a document. So now it has got all this information now. So it's going to create a workbook as it is here. And now it's going to create queries. So basically it's using a create document tool. So here are 5 queries. Now it's creating charts. If you could see here, it's using create document tool and creating charts. Great. So chart 1, chart 2, chart 5 is there. Now all the charts are created. And then what we need to do, we need to create a dashboard. So here we are creating a dashboard. Once the dashboard is created, we are updating the manifest. Great. So you could see that a workbook is already created and a dashboard must also be created. So let's go to our Insights. Let me refresh this. You could see there's already a dashboard available, workbook available. So let me maximize this. Let me open this. You could see all the queries here. Okay. And you could see all the charts also available using those queries. And finally, we have a dashboard. Let's go to our dashboards here. Let's lower the preview. Awesome. So here it is. Your complete dashboard created within minutes.